This is OnePlus Ace 5, and today I'll show how you can screen record on this device. So at the start, you will need to open the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar, expand the list of available controls, and here look for the screen recording tile. Now tap on it, grant the screen recording app with all essential permissions. Now you can decide whether you would like to record system audio or microphone sound, so you can enable or disable either or both of them. And now simply press the start recording button. So now as you can see, the screen recording has been started. From here you can stop it at any time by tapping on this little shortcut and, well, pressing the stop recording button, this one. You can also pause the recording. Can manage the sound from here as well, and so on. So once the recording is finished, it will be saved to your gallery. So let's open it, and if you go into the albums, you'll see that it will be saved into its separate video folder. And that's how you screen record on this phone. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.